This time what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the moon on its own. It's got a beautiful sort of hammered finish. So I've picked out carmine and apricot, and I'm going to put these two together. So when it floats on other colours, it gives you that sort of moon cratered look. But when it's not on top of something else, it gives you this lovely hammered effect. So I've just put two of these colours together, and I just want to smear them out a little bit and let them do their own thing. Try and show you this to avoid some of the reflection, but you can see how those colours are working together. It's gorgeous.